Hey guys, it's Crystal. So I want to jump on here real quick. I got another Fabfitfun Style box. So it just came in. I just got out for work, so excuse my attire and background. My kids are watching a movie in the other room and a little too loud, so I'm in my husband's study room. If you're not familiar with Fabfitfun Style box, you basically go on the regular, normal Fabfitfun site. You take a quiz, that way they can determine more or less of your style, and you pay only $20 towards the styling fee. Of course, if you like an item from your box, that $20 will go toward that item. If you decide to choose all of your items inside the box, you get 20% off of the whole purchase. That's basically it. This is my, I think, 4th style box. I've kept maybe 4 pieces, 1 item per box. I haven't got a box that I absolutely, wanted to purchase everything, but we'll see. Ooh, I got something totally different. Okay, I'm not going to look at the little paper. This normally tells you how much the prices are of each individual piece. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to spoil it. So the first item I see is a purse. I've never gotten a purse. This is my first time getting one. It says convertible bag crossbody. This is super cute. It kind of reminds me of one that I already have. I actually have a Michael Kors purse like this and this exact color. It's really pretty. Look at that. Really pretty with some gold hardware. So it looks like it could be a wallet or a crossbody. Has this area for your phone, just like my Michael Kors one that I have. Maybe I'll get that out and do a comparison. And lots of room. Lots of different stuff inside. Pockets and for the credit cards. Pretty cool. It's a Madison West purse. Nice. Very nice. Convertible bag on it. Excuse the lighting, by the way. It's really gloomy and gross. Here where I live, there's a tropical storm going through, so please bear with me with the lighting. Okay, now I'm going to jump into the clothes. See, the first item I got is this cute top. Looks like a peplum top. Super cute. Very cute top for maybe office wear or even date night. Very cute. I like it. It's super cute. I got something from Free People. I've noticed I tend to get a lot of Free People clothing in each box that I get. Oh wow, this looks like club wear. This is very cute. I think I probably owned a shirt like this when I was 19. Very cute. I don't know if I would wear it now that I'm in my 30s. But cute. 19-year-old Crystal would definitely wear that. Let's see. This is cute. Oh, it's a romper. Super cute. It's another collective concept. It's very cute. I love the lace detailing at the back. I really like that. I got a lot of floral print stuff. I did send them a picture of me just to see my figure, because you can do that. And I noticed ever since I sent that picture, it's a floral top. They send me a lot of florals. I don't necessarily wear a lot of florals, to be honest, but it's okay. I know florals are in. This is a super cute, flirty, sexy dress, I think. I could see myself wearing this with some wedges. Super cute. There's another one from Collective Concepts. This is, oh, it's another cute, like, flirty dress. Cute. Last item is, what is it? Ooh, this is kind of a sexy dress. It's a Free People red halter dress. Lots of back. Looks kind of small though. Very cute and sexy. I like this one. This is a cute date night or special occasion dress. I cannot speak today. Sorry, guys. I have a feeling this is going to be expensive though because it's Free People. So you always get like a little note from the stylist that did your box. So she sent me a little note. And okay, let's go through the prices. So this cute red dress is 88 bucks. Little pricey for my taste. I'll still try it on though. The white dress is $24. This is not bad for the price. It feels really heavy and good quality. It doesn't feel cheap. The blue dress is, mini ruffle blue dress is $64. This polka dot peplum black top is only $19, and this purse is $54. So the total for this whole box is $321. Craziness. So if I purchase everything in the box, the price of this box would be $220.75. So I definitely like the romper, the peplum, and the white dress pricing. It's the first time that I see it around the 20s. More items within the $20 range. Normally I get sent like really high value. So let's talk about the pieces and how I feel about them. Let's go over the purse first. So here is the purse again. The price on this was $54. It's super cute. I really like it. I don't know if it's real leather. I wonder if it is. Who knows? Let's see. Doesn't really say. Anyways, so this is my Michael Kors purse. It's a little bit smaller, but as you could see, it's pretty much the same color. It's a little bit smaller, maybe a little bit lighter. And then this other one. So this one can probably hold a little bit more. So yeah, they're pretty similar. This one also has the gold hardware. Again, this one's a little bit smaller. I think I paid about 48 bucks for my Michael Kors one because I got a really good deal. I believe at Macy's. So compared to this one, I mean, it's not bad because the typical price on these are like $150 or something like that. I could be wrong. I know they're pretty high in price. So this is not bad. It does have cute hardware. It has a lot of room for your items. Ooh, it actually has a gold chain on it. So it's really cute and versatile in terms for like a going out purse or something. Very cute. I'm not gonna keep it just because I have my Michael Kors purse already in the same color and pretty much has the same function as this one. This one's just a little bit bigger. So this will definitely be returned back. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention the box ships for free, and it's also free returns. They will send you a mail shipper to put all the stuff that you're not going to purchase, and you just send it to FedEx and give it to FedEx place, and then they'll send it back for free. So you do get free shipping and free return. So that's going to go back. Okay, so first clothing item is this one. It was a peplum top. Let's see. This is the Isla Peplum Tie Back top in, I thought it was black, but it's actually navy. It's so gloomy and dark today that it makes it look black, but it's navy. I really like this one. I feel like it's a staple piece, so this would definitely be worth it. I believe it's like 20 bucks. It is 19. I feel like this is worth the $19. Like I said, a good staple piece. It's pretty cute. for going out, or even like a interview top with a blazer or something and some cute black slacks. So I really like this top for 20 bucks. That might be my keep pile. The next item is this cute blue dress. I liked it. I thought it was very cute, flirty, feminine. However, it's a little see-through and it was too big for me on the side. So for that reason, I will not keep this item, and I believe it was a little pricey. Yes, it is a Emily mini ruffle dress in light blue for $64. So this is a little pricey, I think, for the dress. Super cute, too pricey for me. Okay, next one is this white floral dress. It looks really cute holding it up. However, when I tried it on, I felt like I was in a tent. It was really large on me, and it just, to me, did not look good. It wasn't something that I typically wear anyways. The price-wise, though, is not bad. It's only $24. So it's cute, comfortable, but just not me. It was just too big for me. Romper, I really like this romper. It's called the Heather Wrap Front Romper. It's $24. To me, this is worth it right here. Very cute. I love the detail on the back. It has lace. I'm a lace girl. I really love to wear lace items. The fit was really good. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like it's made very well. Again, the fit was nice. Felt like I could wear this for a date night or a little get together with the girls, and age appropriate. So I really like this one. This is going to be in my keep pile as well. Two more items. So the next item is the red sexy lace dress. Ow, I just poked my eye, really. From Free People. This one is too expensive for me. I'm not going to pay $88 for a dress. Even if the $20 goes towards it, it's still paying 60 bucks. So I'm not going to purchase. It's really sexy. So, and then the final item is this black off the shoulder, one shoulder top. Again, I think if I was in my 20s, 19, 20s, something I would wear. I know I had a piece exactly like this when I was around that age. Doesn't really catch my eye anymore, the style. I don't know. So this is a no. The price point was not bad though. Actually, no, I lied. This is 48 bucks. I would not pay 48 bucks for this at all. What do I think about this box? I did like most of the items. I did like, which is a surprise because sometimes with the other boxes I didn't really like anything out of the box. So this one's pretty good. I mean, I actually like 5 things out of the 7 items that were sent. It was just basically price point that was a turn off. The fit was a turn off. And of course the purse, I already have one similar to that, so no need for it. So I wouldn't pass on those items. This is probably one of the boxes that I've really liked compared to the other ones. So definitely a better box than what I've gotten in the previous times before that. And would I recommend it? Yes, if you're looking for staple items, because like I said, they do send high price items. And if you're like me, I'm a frugal person. I always say this in like all my videos. I like clearance. I like to shop for a bargain. So if you're one like that, like me, this might necessarily not be for you. Yeah, if you are interested in getting a box for yourself, I will leave a link down below. And if you are interested in a regular Fabfitfun box, I will have a link down for that below as well. If you haven't seen any of those videos, please check those out. I do have quite a few Fabfitfun old boxes if you want to see in general what it is and what you can possibly get in a box. And I guess that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notifications for more videos like this. I will have some DIYs coming up soon, so please stay tuned for those videos. And that's it for today. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.